this engine is a Yokon, Gmc Yokon 2016 model, 5.3 liter with GDI or gasoline direct injection. This is the injector. This one connected directly to the cylinder head. The problem of this is smoking, so I will change the piston ring back to the standard because the cylinder bore is it's no problem, cylinder bore. And also I will change the valve seal here. 16 pieces, both of that cylinder head. And before that, when I pull out the engine, I changed already the PCB valve, but same problem, it's more smoking. When I try to move this piston, there is a clearance here, but now it's a good steady only. And also the problem of this is have a random vibration. I changed also the hydraulic valve lifter because there is a little noise of the hydraulic valve lifter. This valve lifter is always damaged when the pressure is too low of the oil. So I already changed the oil pump. This is the oil pump, and the connecting rod bearing is good condition, so I will return it. I will return that. This oil pump have a pressure switch. This one, this is the pressure switch. The rubber of this is all need to change also. And also this cylinder head, and the valve, the exhaust and intake. This one. And also the housing of the hydraulic valve lifter. This 4 pieces. Very well. And the rocker arm, this one, that is 16 pieces. Also have the post rod. This is the post rod, valve post rod, hydraulic valve post rod. And also the drive of the gasoline direct injection, the pump connected to the camshaft. Yes. And the valve cover. That's why. That's it. The water pump and the pulley, crankshaft pulley.